Welcome back. Now in Basecamp, the search bar is as much a navigation tool as it is a method of finding things. And you can use it effectively to jump around between projects as well as other things in your admin area. So for example, to move between projects, you'll want to type in the first few letters, and one of the things you'll notice is that you'll see all of your projects at a glance when you use the search bar. So all you'll need to do is know the first few letters of your search bar or the main word, and then you'll be able to find that project within Basecamp. Now, wherever you are on any page, you can find the search bar by typing in the G key and the F key. That'll bring you right to the search bar where you can find anything that you need. You can also use the G key along with numbers to jump around within Basecamp. So for example, if we click the G key and 1, we'll then come to the project screen. If we click the G and the 2, we'll then come to the calendar. If we click G and 3, we'll then come to the everything screen. G and 4 will come to our timeline. G and 5 will bring us to everyone. And then G and 6 will bring you to the me screen. Now these are all shortcuts that will make your life easier when you're navigating using Basecamp. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.